Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can make $40 every time with 1 minute's work. Now this is a fantastic new method guys, and there's not many methods out there like this, because this works 100%, and I'm going to prove to you it works by looking into my own account. So what am I going to show you today? I'm going to show you the website. It's actually two that you need to go to. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to sign up. I'm going to show you how you earn your money and the best way to do it. I'm going to show you how you get paid via PayPal and how you can do this over and over again. There is no limit to how many times you can do this a day, and there are not many methods that prove to you that. Now, very, very important guys, this is one of the best methods I've ever shown you. You need to watch this video to the end. Why? Because I'm going to show you my secret website at the end, my secret little hack, how you can double, triple, quadruple your income. I'm going to show you how you can make a business out of what I'm going to show you. A business for life, a long-term business. And I'm going to show you that I've done very, very similar and how much money I've made on Fiverr, okay, using this method. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, so stick to the end. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how quickly you can earn money. This works worldwide, any country this works in. This is amazing. You can earn unlimited money. How much effort you put in is how much money you earn. And again, watch to the end and I'll show you my secret site where you can make some serious money. Now, before we get on to all that, guys, do me a massive favor. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, please. Why? One, you'll become one of my subscribers. And two, you will see my content first. I upload make money videos or affiliate marketing videos every single day, and I want you to see them first. If you see them first, it means you make money first, okay? And that is what this is all about. I want everyone to make money online. And once you know how to do it, it's actually really easy. But it's even easier if I show you what to do. Now, the other thing I'm doing for you guys is below the comments here, you will see this little section here. It says, get my free training. Click that, guys, and you will get 7 videos that I've put together all around affiliate marketing and how I make money every day. I make a minimum of $100 a day, and I'll show you exactly how I do it with some free training. It gets no better than that. Now, if you haven't been over to my site, go to my website, my YouTube channel, guys. It's Bobby D there. I'm on Instagram. All these videos are all about making money online, and there are hundreds of them. All these work, guys, but the one I'm going to show you today is super special. Just stick with me. Watch the video to the end, and there's an opportunity for you to make some serious money just like I have. So let's jump into the training. The method I'm going to show you is to do with using Fiverr. Now, you might think, oh, I don't know anything about Fiverr. I can't make gigs. You don't need to, right? I'm going to show you a website that takes care of everything for you. So some of you may know what Fiverr is. Some of you might not. Fiverr is basically a platform where you can buy what's called gigs. So here, let's just type in the word logo, hit search, and then you'll find loads of people who are selling logos like this. And you can see the money, although it's called Fiverr. You can sell things for whatever you want. So let's have a look here. This guy here, vector tracing, $4.27 he charges, or £4.27, and he has sold over 1,000. Well, there's £4,000 straight away he's made. This guy here, £12.82, he sold over 1,000. That guy there charges £640. This guy here, £42 he charges, and he's done 88 of them. There is some serious money to be made in Fiverr. And there are all sorts of things you can do. You've got logo making. If you type in SEO, you know, rank your website. This guy here, you know, £64 to do SEO, 690 sales. I mean, the money is phenomenal. Literally anything you want is on here. Let's just type this in just for it, because I'm going to try and hopefully show you something. Like this guy here, set up your MailChimp. Let's have a look. Knockout sales copy. I will provide 50 fresh leads, starting at £4.27. I'm showing you this for a reason. So this guy here, I'll supply 180 leads for £12.82. So that's 180 people sign up to his website. Okay. Now that people want that, or that people want clicks to their website, so their SEO gets better. And I'm going to show you a way of doing that, because obviously trying to get people to sign up is difficult. Trying to get people to click your website is difficult, but there is a website that is unbelievable that I'm going to spin over to now. So just let me go over to it. The website I want you to go over to is called picoworkers.com, picoworkers.com. So this is basically a website where you can employ or be a worker. Now, I don't suggest you be a worker on this site because the money is horrendous, but you can be an employer. So people post jobs on here for people to do. And a lot of them are sign-up jobs or click jobs, like click on a Facebook post, sign up to a website, go and look at a website. And every time they go to that website, obviously they get better SEO. So these are some of the offers here. Like a lot of them are sign-ups here. You know, sign up to ClickSense, 12 cents. Sign up for a McDonald's gift card. Sign up to in dollars. Surveys to cash. A lot of them are sign up ones, but as you can see, they're really cheap. So some of these charge, you know, 20 cents, 12 cents. You know, you're charging someone 12 cents. Let's just go back to here. So you're charging someone 12 cents. You know, that's $2.50, and he's charging £12, which is about $18, $19. So you can see where I'm going here. You could advertise a lead on here on Fiverr. I will provide 50 fresh leads, 50 sign-ups, 50 clicks, 100 clicks. Do it for $12. Go to Pico Workers, and you get these people to do it for 20 cents. And then you pocket the difference. And it's that easy. The only thing I'll say about Pico Workers, and I know someone who's recently done this, is if you pay really low amounts, sometimes you don't get the result you want. So I would look at paying between 30 and 50 cents per what you want done. And that way people are going to do it. Because that is quite a lot of money. You know, 50 cents, you do it twice, they earn $1. And that's quite a lot of money. Now, obviously, it will cost you more money, but you're guaranteed to get a good result. Now, you don't have to. You can charge 12 cents. And it might be worth the first time you do it, charging 12 cents and seeing what happens. But this site, the opportunities here are massive. You know, particularly for SEO. You know, you could advertise, I will send 100 real subscribers to your website, you know, and charge $10. It's going to cost you $2. You can see where this is going. Really, really good opportunity to make some money here, guys. This is probably one of the better sites out there. Super easy to sign up. Just sign up here. When you sign up, they actually give you 75 cents, but unless you're a worker, you're not going to need it. Sign up as an employee. You can get people to leave testimonials. They can leave likes on YouTube, on Facebook. They can leave comments. They can sign up to your Instagram account. You can see the opportunities in this is absolutely phenomenal. You know, go to SEO. You know, we can do real traffic here. Let's just see what this brings up. Hopefully it'll bring something up. I will bring real targeted traffic. Now, I will bring you 5,000 visitors in 2 weeks, okay? Now, we can do this. So if we were charging, so it's going to cost you, 5,000 visitors is going to cost you $6 if you're charging them 12 cents. Well, they're paying £17 for this. What I didn't look at here was what his feedback is. So he's had 28 and he's got 11 orders in the queue. 20,000. I will provide 50,000. See where this is going, guys. This is the easiest way to make money. And you're not cheating these people. You are sending real traffic. Pico Workers are real people. and you're telling them to go to their site, visit it, or click on it, and that is what they're doing. No one's doing anything black hat here. This is all white hat, and this is amazing. Honestly, I'm going to implement this myself today. All right, you need to do it as well. Get on Fiverr, start making gigs up, use Pico workers, make money. It is that simple. There's no easier way to make money. This is one of the best methods I've discovered on Fiverr. Now, there's an even easier way of doing all this. Now, for you, those of you that follow me, you know I brought out my own product called Fiverrlicious, and this is how I made $6,000 on Fiverr. I'm going to quickly go to my Fiverr account, jump over to selling, go to earnings. So this is my account, guys. $6,436. Does this work? Yes. Easy. Does it work? Yes. I've made $6,000. There's the proof. What more do you want? Okay. Now I've put together a great program called Fiverrlicious. All right. I'm going to show you exactly how I made $6,000 on Fiverr. Right. I'll show you the gigs that I sold. I'll show you how to set them up, where to find them, and I'm going to show you another site where you outsource. Okay. All those gigs, that $6,000 that I made, I did not do a single gig because I don't know how to make logos or anything. I outsourced everything, every single bit, and I made $6,000. All right. You can do it too, guys. It's not difficult. Okay. I'll show you everything you need to do, how to get started, how to put it together, how to set the gigs up, what the Fiverr levels are, the most important one, where to outsource it with my secret site, how to use videos, and I'll show you the gigs that I sold. All right. That's me there on my site. Now, the best bit is today I'm doing it for $9.97, guys. I normally charge $47 for this. For this video, I'm doing it for $9.97. It's a no-brainer. If you want a business, and this is a real business in a box, this can go on forever. It's evergreen. You can build this up and make a passive income for the rest of your life like I do. It's just a side money for me. I spend 10 or 15 minutes a day and I rake in money every single day using this method. Now, you don't have to buy this. You can do it the other way. It's going to take you twice as long. Watch what I do. It's $10. It's super cheap. And you will do really, really well and make some serious money with Fiverr. This has sold over 2,000 copies, guys. Why? Because it works. It was deal of the day of Warrior Plus. This is one of the, in fact, I think it's the best Fiverr product on the market. Everyone needs this if you want a long-term business, and you cannot go wrong with it. All right. So grab it from the link below. There's a special link below. Grab it today. It's $9.97. It's going to speed everything up. This will give you a real online business for the rest of your life to make money. And I want you to make money. So I'm Bobby D, guys. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell. Please do that for me. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.